Talking AI character creation in just 5 minutes. Let me show you how to make a free talking avatar using HeyGen. Let's jump to our computer screen and open the HeyGen AI web application. First, head over to heygen.com. To sign up for free, I'm using a temporary email from tempmail.org. Just copy the email, paste it into the sign-up box, and enter the verification code you receive. Quick and easy. Once we're in, HeyGen will ask a few basic questions like why you're using it, what your purpose is, and how many people are on your team. Just select the options that fit and move ahead. This helps HeyGen tailor the experience for you. Now, here's an important detail for beginners. With a free account, HeyGen allows you to create 3 videos, each up to 3 minutes long. That gives you a total of 9 minutes of free video creation, which is more than enough to practice and get started. Next, let's click on Create Video. The first step is selecting your resolution. If you're making content for YouTube, I recommend choosing 16 by 9 for the best fit. Now it's time to create our avatar. You can choose one of HeyGen's built-in characters, or you can upload your own photo. I'll upload a picture I created using Leonardo.ai. Once it's uploaded, click the Generate Motion button in the top right corner of the image. It'll take a few moments while HeyGen prepares your AI character, or as we like to call it, your talking avatar. After the avatar is generated, simply click on it to add it into your project. Next, we need to give it a voice. You have 3 options. Type text into the box and let HeyGen convert it to speech. Record your own voice directly, or upload an audio file. I'll go with uploading an audio file I created earlier using Google AI Studio. HeyGen will automatically transform that audio into text, syncing it with your avatar. Now your AI character is ready for preview.
Hello, everyone, I am Julia. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use HeyGen's free version to make professional AI character avatar for your presentation.
If you don't like the result, no problem. Just try again until you're happy. When everything looks right, click the Generate button in the top right corner of the screen. And there you have it, your very own talking AI character, created completely free using HeyGen. You can download this video and use it for presentations, YouTube content, or social media posts. And that's how you can begin your AI creation journey with HeyGen. In just a few minutes, you can make professional-looking talking avatars without needing editing skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what kind of AI tutorials you'd love to see next. And if you'd like me to send you the full tutorial in PDF form, simply subscribe to the channel and comment below.